Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to disable permanently the real-time protection in Windows Defender. So first of all, you just need to go to the settings start menu here, go to the settings option with the gear icon here, click on settings, then you have to go to the update and security option. After going to the update and security, choose Windows security here. Then you have to choose the virus and threat protection. Then if you scroll down, you will see option called virus and threat protection settings. So just click on manage settings here. And here you can see the real-time protection here. So you just have to turn off the real-time protection here. Now you can see the real-time protection is off. So to permanently turn off the real-time protection, you just have to go to the search bar here and search for Regedit. And you will see an option called Registry Editor. Click on Registry Editor. After opening the Registry Editor, you have to choose HK local machine. Expand that option. Now you have to go to the software option. Click expand the software. Now you have to find policy here. Click on policies. Now you have to choose the Microsoft here. Choose Microsoft. Then you will see here option Windows Defender. So just choose it, right click on it, and you have to choose a new key here. Click on K here and name the new key as real-time protection here. Don't mistake them spell here or it will not work. So just name the real-time protection here. Then right click on it and choose DWORD 32-bit value here. Now name it as Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Name it as Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Now click on it and click on Modify. Now choose 1 here. Click 1 and click OK. Now you just have to close out the option and restart your computer, and hope you will see your real-time protection is permanently turned off. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.